Ako needs video pala. Hi! Ate, ate! Are you happy? You're back here? We're here at hindi anong tawag dun? Great Wall of China! Ganto. Ate, first time mo dito, ate? Oh, tulog tayo last time. Ganda, no? Ate, what's your shoe size?
Saan kaya picture mo kayo?
Ate, what's your shoe size? Can you give way to ate po? Ingat ha.
Ano?
Nagkagalaw. Small move lang. Yes, sarap ng hangin.
Hi.
Dahan-dahan ha.
Nasa langit ka na.
Let's go na.
Oh, gusto kong mag-picture sir. Picture muna ka na. Una muna ako sa taas, sir. Sir, ma'am.
Sige po.
Sige po. Hi. Welcome to Baguio. Yeah, I took a picture na. Okay, wait. Wait lang. Camper van. Do you know how to go there? Ah, sige. Where's your luggage?
Next one there. The next one here is the butterfly. Let's go. I love Cebu.
Love Cebu.
Yay. Come here, mommy.
Okay, ingat po.
Come here. Let's go.
Careful. Oh, be careful, anak ha. Oh, so cute. Let's go. Madumi dyan ha. Careful ha.
Your head. Head, back.
Oh, lots of tenga.
Good, picture kayo dun. Mami na, tapos dala tayo.
A farm.
A garden, yeah. I didn't explore this last time.
First time.
Yeah, this is my first time to see this. Hi. Yeah, I did. Let's go.
Okay.
Baka may ants, ha? May party. Daming tao today. Bakit? Wow. Antique.
Si Ellen na daw.
Ito yung encyclopedia daddy oh. Grabe yung mga jars oh. Diyan umiinom yung mga piyehan. Starbucks. Hindi yan. Collection, mamahalin. Starbucks, oh. Ah, tataw set. There's tataw set. Ayun, Lily. Tataw set. Ayun. Hindi mo kita? Kita mo na?
Si Guadalupe nandyan.
Where?
Ito. Kakay.
Wow. Daddy, babang mo rin ako ng temple.
Touch it.
Hmm?
How can you touch it?
That's what?
Touch, touch, touch. Where are we going now?
Yes. We're going to the hotel now.
Don't make so hard.
Out. Oh, there's so much food. Oh. Is that another island?
Uy, galing naman.
Garlic rice. One plain rice.
Thank you.
That's a spoon and fork.
Ate, kain na tayo. Kain na
It's Mr. Beast.
Finally, we're here. Tulog ka na. Matulog ka na.